So check out this camera cage for your Action 4, Action 5 cameras. This thing is really nice, like an aluminum alloy body. You're gonna pop your Action camera in there. So this is the Action 5 Pro, and then it snaps into place. So you can see how you can unlock it and lock it right there. It does give you mounting options on the side, so you can do like portrait shots there if you have it connected to, you know, a tripod or their mounting bracket right there. And then there's a quarter thread mount there. It does give you the accessibility to get the other mount, the normal mount right there. It has its own little shutter button right there, so you can press that to start and stop recording. There's a cold shoe on the top, but it gets better. So now you can also attach this grip right here. So you can see how that's gonna lock into place, just like it would any of their other mounts right there. So you're gonna pop it in, it snaps into place. Now you have like a little shooting grip. It's got a really nice grip to it right there on the handle, so you can feel it right there. It's really cool. And yeah, you can just take that on and off if you need to, no problem. This also has a quarter thread mount there, so you can attach it to other selfie poles or tripods for that vertical shot. And then there's also this right here. This is gonna go onto that cold shoe. It'll cover it, and it has this little thing right here that you could pop off if you wanna use another cold shoe there. But that just kind of just makes this whole thing like one unit, and then you could still press the record button just by tapping here. It's almost like a shutter button right there. So you can see start and stop recording just by pressing. And it makes it really easy to get the shots and start and stop recording that much easier. So you have your grip right here, and then you can easily do it with your thumb. Just press the button. So really cool, quality made all around, and just a great accessory to have if you have an Action 3, 4, 5, and probably 6. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.